There's nothing more heavenly than enjoying pakodas on a rainy day. Try something different this season. Bringing to you recipe of cabbage pakodas. Let's get started. I have here 2 chopped cabbages. Let's transfer this into a mixing bowl. Into this goes 1 cup of chopped onions, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of Garam Masala, 1 teaspoon of Red Chilli Powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 3 chopped green chilies, 1 cup gram flour, 3 tablespoons of rice flour, and 1 tablespoon of green coriander leaves. Let's mix this. The mixture looks a little dry. Let's add some water. Make sure that your mixture is neither dry nor runny. Add just enough water to bind all the ingredients together. Our batter for pakodas is starting to take shape. Time to fry our pakodas. For that, I am heating oil in a pan. I am using my hands to shape the pakodas into a ball. Slowly drop them one by one into the heated oil. Keep stirring until the pakodas turn golden brown in color. Remove them on a tissue paper. Similarly, I am going to fry the second batch. And just like that, our second batch is also ready. These crispy pakodas are best served with chutney, and here's a quick way to make it. In a mixie jar, I'm adding 1 cup of coriander leaves, 2 green chilies, 1 inch ginger, 3 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, and finally 2 tablespoons of water. Now grind this, and our perfect companion for pakodas is ready. These easy to make pakodas are a must try this monsoon. Enjoy it with your friends and family. Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.